Hi, I'm Matt from Home Safety Solutions, and we're here talking about our Bahama style shutters today. The one that we're working with is a Croce brand shutter. We like these shutters because they're one of the only brands that uses an articulating blade. So these louvers are adjustable and they pitch to open and close to how much light you want and how much privacy you want in them. And then you're also able to adjust the pitch on the shutters and how far you want them to come in and out by loosening these tabs on the side and then just retightening them in the position that you want. We offer these in hurricane impact rated, which these are, which come with the adjustable blade, and we also offer a decorative version, which is a fixed blade that do not adjust. You could find out more information at stormshielder.com or give us a call at 813-814-2236.